Very pretty. Nice could be softer but definitely not a bad buy. Such a cute mat. I only use it for decor though, because when you wash it, the stuffing inside clumps. It is exactly what I wanted and super soft and cute. Matches bedding set perfectly, very soft. Loved this mat for my girl to roll around on. Very well made. No fading after washing. Love it, came on time, perfect for tummy time. Our grandbaby loves it too. Will reorder, great for shower gift. This is so pretty, I love the colors and the fabric. But it's a little pricey. Super cute, love taking pictures of my daughter on it. Love this line. So adorable and great for tummy time. Click link in description for more reviews.